explorers, and welcome to my channel. So this is an update video on the elderberry wine that I started in October. Now I went ahead and bottled them up months ago. To be fair, you've seen a siphon, you know how it works, and we're interested in what's inside the bottle, so I'm going to pour myself a little bit more. Smells pretty good actually. So for those people that have not seen the part 1 of this video, I'll put the link up there so you can go and see what's going on. So, that's staining. So this is the colour that you're going to get if you follow the recipe. Now I went quite light on the elderberries. That's because I wanted it to be ready sooner. It's a bit of an experiment. So we're going to try it and see if it's any good. Now normally when I make an elderberry wine, I go full body. And that normally takes 2 to 3 years to be able to drink it. It's just so unpalatable. So let's see. So it still has an elderberry twang to it. If you've ever played with an elderberry bush, it has sort of like a smell. And funny enough, it still has that smell slightly, so I know it's still a bit young. But is it drinkable? Oh, okay. So it still has a bit of a acidic twang to it, which you are going to get with young wines. I mean, it's just no way, especially because this fermented down to more than dryness. It finished out at about 994, 993. So it is very, very dry, but at the same time, it's still got flavor. It still tastes a lot like a mix between a wet wine. Take number 2. So it has flavors from like a red wine and a fruit wine mixed together with the tannins, but you can't really taste the apricots. They're there in the background, just for extra body and flavor. And it also doesn't smell sulfurous, so that's always a plus. But it is goddamn good wine, considering it's this young and considering it's elderberries. That is a success. I mean, it does need a couple more months. It definitely needs a couple more months. Though it isn't so astringent that you can't drink it, it is still a little bit hot and spicy. And because it's about 12-ish%, it's also quite strong. So all these flavors will mellow out in the next few months. So that's good to know. So we'll come back to this video probably by the time it's ready to do another batch of elderberry wine. But I just wanted to give you an update so you know what we're doing from there. So it is drinkable within 6 months. I'm sure if we added some sugar to it. You know what? Let's try adding some sugar to it. And we're back with my granulated sugarless sweetener. So, by the way, this is not an advocate of doing it. I'm just saying I want to see what it's like. No, it is fizzy. This is like sacrilege of elderberry wine. Normally it's not very sweet. It does make a very good wine. Give it a swirl. So let's see how it tastes now. Just, you know, for science, of course. Ooh. Okay, so instantly it doesn't have... Yeah, it's very, very smooth now. Funny that. Almost as if. So if you like a sweet wine, you can make this and add sweetener to taste. See, it has lost something now. Now it just tastes like a berry wine. It hasn't got the spicy notes. It doesn't have the berry fruit flavors. It tastes a lot like what does it taste like? See, now it kind of tastes like a sangria wine. I'm not sure why, but that's just what it tastes like to me. But still, after 6 months, it's very, very palatable, which is unusual. So, yeah, I'm going to store this for another few months, and we're going to come back, because I do like my full-bodied dry wine, and we'll see what it's like. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and check out other ones. And yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, like, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.